you're a woman watching me, please don't die in any abusive relationship. If the man beats you once, please run away.
Only in plan for the beba wake up in us. What do you think? Wale ni hunewu. Anom ni adofo enen so ye da foforo Juu atnase Juu age na konwa na nsani abre nyina ye ka kire etiefo ma etiefo ye awe ni se eni ahwefo ye se wo hwe Juu TV a ye den bo modin se wo hwe TV na wo be share na wo share wi a wo like it na wo like no wo wi ma comment afi comment na chi no e den ye pese mo ye pese mo subscribe so subscribe a ye news ka bia o e ye free just entro ye kokko na e wo wonsani fa so ho no fa kokro moti team so na wo wi a adoma bi da nchen adoma wo do nse mia adoma ne so sade be ya abre nyina ye de program foforo ba ya o si mwe una wo no ebeba be ma notification ama wo hu se ye di program foforo aba e she lie nti e wo sa wo hwe na sa wo yesa eye ye dai emaye mo energy emaye mora na boost your immune system no ama ye nya hoden da e de foforo abrew ama anya bi ahwe enti bomodin a na subscribe ma Juu ate ai na Juu hu se adwuma na wo ye no mo ani so nene ye ne hwan ne wa ha ye ne menua ba papa bi ahofe papa bi ye ne wa ha sei wei eye nkomobo enye interview menene ba be din komo na munim hey wonye ye kromuni o wonye Ghana ni wonye ye kromuni enti de be ko bi amfa nza wate ye be so ye ho odin ahwe atei ai yenso ye person de ba mo be je bi amfa ne sa yo papa momfa hello sweetheart.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I want you to say hello to my people, the people who watching us, then mention your name and where you come from.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Paulette Kalu Njoku. I am a Cameroonian living in the UK.
Hello everyone, my name is Paulette Kalu. I'm a Cameroonian living in the UK. Good.
Yes.
I'm teasing you, yeah? Anyway, I thought you said you're living in one of... I know you're originally from Cameroon,
yes.
isn't it?
I'm a Cameroonian. I used to live in Germany, but then I moved from Germany to the UK.
So
4 years ago. Yeah.
So you're from Germany, but originally from Cameroon, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I lived in Germany for about over 14 years, yeah. Over 14 years.
14 years? And you moved to UK?
Yes.
How many years in UK now?
4 years now in the UK.
4 good years? Yeah, well done.
Thank you.
Do you have children?
Yeah.
Program I have heard of my way. Program I have heard of Boom, boom. Program I have heard of Boom. Boom. Program I have heard of Program I have heard of. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV.
I'm happily married and I've got 4 children.
Wow,
yeah,
4 children.
Yeah, I'm married to a Nigerian, Igbo man. The best people in Africa.
Oh, you marry? I thought you marry white man or Cameroonian. You marry?
I got married to Nigeria.
Nigeria, that is fantastic.
Igbo
man. Igbo man, the best. You said something.
The best people in Nigeria, the best tribe in Nigeria.
The best tribe in Nigeria because of he's your husband. You want to promote him, but look, I will come there. You say you Nigeria, Igbo man.
Yeah.
I will come there. Don't worry.
Why?
No, there's something happened in Nigeria one gospel artist, one gospel artist, Osineche or Osineche,
yeah.
that girl. I'll come there.
Okay.
So don't worry.
Keep watching Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a medical assistant, but at the moment I'm on maternity leave.
Your maternity leave?
Yeah, I'm on maternity leave. I have a little daughter and I just have to wait until she gets to age. Then I can go back to work because the childcare in the UK is something else.
Something like what?
So expensive.
Hey!
I can't afford it. So I just have to wait until she starts the normal nursery. Then I will go back to work.
Childcare in the UK is not only UK, it's childcare is expensive.
Are you sure?
Yes,
I think
it's everywhere.
No, it's just compared to Germany. Compared to Germany.
If you compare childcare to Germany.
Yeah, the one in the UK is quite expensive. Germany is more better when it comes to
Then
that.
why did you come here?
Yeah, there are other things that I find better. Like
Why did you come here?
I want my kids to study in English. I want them to have that. Like, I want English to be their first language. You get it?
Okay, then.
Because English is international. They can live anywhere in the world with English. But with German, they are being limited, to so many things. You can speak English with them at home. Let's say while I was in Germany, while I was in Germany, we speak English at home. But then they weren't so fluent in their English.
So if you know that here, you can speak, your children can stay here and get better English, and the child cost
Yeah.
is high, then take it like that.
It's really costly.
Yeah, take it like that because you can't get all together.
£68 a day is too much. The one I got, £68 a day.
My dear,
how much am I going to make in a day?
You can't get both cheap.
Yeah, I know.
You want your children to learn English, then you want childcare also free. It can't be possible.
No, not free, but at least it should be.
At least it should be. You're watching Juu TV. Juu TV na option. Yeah, go kwa jenga tuaba. Say ya yenche.
Keep watching Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
So that care cost and from Germany and UK, do you think that UK is too much more than...
Yeah, the UK is very expensive to live in, really, to be honest.
To live in?
To live in the UK is very costly.
From
house rent to everything.
Oh my God, I'm not, please, give me a break.
About that anyway.
They give me a break. I thought you were talking about a child. Now you add costs.
Everything in the UK is expensive.
Okay,
I know why I am here. I know why I am here.
That one, this time, I think 3 days ago, I was watching television, TV news. Everything, they increase it.
I know, yeah.
Electricity, everything is high now.
Exactly, because of the war and the pandemic, everything is now...
The whole world though, I thought it's African people, When I heard Ghana, they complaining about, the fuel price is too high, the light bill, water bill. Ghanaian, when I always hear them screaming, shouting, fighting the government, here and there. They thought here is easy. They don't know the way we are suffering.
It's more difficult here.
They are increased the electricity.
I know.
But 3 days ago, I watched news and they're still talking about the increment of electricity and etc. There's a 7% increase of the food. Can you imagine? Yeah. So this one, that it's not only Africa.
It's not just Africa. It's affecting the whole world. The whole world. So we just have to find a way to cope.
I think because of that, that man, what is his name? Putin or whatever.
Yeah, it's Putin now.
Putin.
Make everything kaput.
Putin, yeah? He caused it.
He caused it.
Because they're fighting. Anyway, who should Juu TV? Try ya honka krebia. My way. Program I have heard muya. My way. Program I have heard muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program I have heard muya. Bumu. Bumu. Program I have heard other conca. Program I have heard muya. keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. You know what I want to ask you? You were saying something. I say, oh, I'll come back there.
Yeah.
You say your husband. It's not because because of your husband. That is why I'm saying this. I just want some advice from you. Okay. And I want you to advise women and the men.
Yeah.
You know, recently we heard it that one gospel artist, Nigerian gospel artist.
Yeah, I know her, yeah.
That lady, the husband beat her, abuse.
To death, yeah.
Till death.
It's really sad.
You are a woman. That day you heard this thing.
Oh, God.
What happened to you that day?
I was so sad. I don't really know her personally, but it felt like I've known her because I could feel the pain. I could feel it because I'm a woman, you know. I was so sad. In fact, I even saw her in my dreams.
Oh my God.
Really was that bad because I couldn't imagine someone you call your husband beating you to death, you know. It was really a sad incident.
So, do you think that a man, if you are a man and you love your wife, can you even beat your wife to death?
No, if you love your wife, you can't beat her to death.
Even beating, even not death, you can't beat your wife.
You can't even beat her. Talk less of beating her to death, you know. So I don't think the man really ever loved her.
I saw some short video circulating on social media. Somebody who holding iron, beating the wife. They say it's that woman, if I'm correct. Because somebody sent to me, by a friend of mine from Nigeria, and he sent to me that I should see that lady is Sineche or whatever. Osinachi. Yeah. She says, see Osinachi, they beating one of the son. Yes. Brought it out. In fact, that lady, when I heard this thing, I cried for three good days.
Really? It was a painful experience, really. And women should not allow themselves to, like, if you're a woman watching me, please don't die in any abusive relationship. If the man beats you once, please run away. Because
advise them more.
If they beat you once, they will keep beating you. So don't just say, it's just once, let me just persevere. The next one might be your death. So if a man abuses you once, just kukuma run away. There's no time.
You know what? Some of the women, when they go into relationship, and the boyfriend started beating, at that time it's a relationship, started beating her, I say, oh, the man will change. Oh, if you marry me, oh, he will change. Oh, I will take this man to the church.
They won't.
I will take him to church, my church. After we married, oh, he will change. Do you think that that person will change?
No. It's something that is already inside them, so they can't change. I don't know, it will take the grace of God for that kind of person to change, but it's very hard. So once they beat you, especially when you're still dating, that's already a red flag. That's already a red flag. That's the time to run away. So if you say, oh, he's going to change when we get married, you are just going to die there. That's all I can say.
Ye can fa baba we nua ba na wo hu Nigeria na ababa wa na ni kunu bro na ma ni wu ye no adenti na wo say wo your ba wutimi tena se ma obema e bo until say ubewu until death enye fe so woni be ma ne e wo ho na wo hwe na be ma ni birimu wa obro wa Okwadi America ententem na wa sorry ho entwai mane munku. Do you think what I always said to people that if you sit down and a man beat you till death and you die, that man can get another woman to marry.
Exactly.
But your mother will not get you will not get any daughter again.
Exactly. I always feel pity for people who say, oh, my husband cheated on me, that's why I left. I said, see, cheating is not the reason why you should even leave. You can leave, but me, the day I will leave is when my husband will raise his hand on me. That is the only thing that can make me end my marriage, beating. You get me? Because you can beat me to death, and I want to leave. You get me? So that's the only thing that will make me leave a man who is abusive. So
what people used to, what people used to say is that the woman who is lazy woman who don't want to work,
Exactly.
who they doesn't like
Thank
job,
you.
they are the people they
are the
always
victims.
sit.
Because just imagine you are doing well as a woman. The man cannot even talk to you anyhow, talk less of beating you. So women should also try to empower themselves by doing something. For example, I'm not working at the moment, like my profession, but then I keep myself busy by doing other things to make money for myself. I run my YouTube channel, I make money on YouTube. I have other online businesses I run to make YouTube money for myself. I don't just depend on my husband. What if we're no longer together tomorrow? How will I start? How will I cope?
That's it.
So you always have to have your own income as a woman. Don't depend on the man. Because most of these women who are being abused, it's because they can't live because they depend on that man for everything. Oh, if I leave, who will pay the school fees? Oh, if I leave, who will feed me and the children? You know, they keep thinking of all those things, and that's why they keep staying in that marriage.
Yes.
So I don't blame them too. So they should just also, my only advice is that try to be helpful to yourself as a woman. Find any business and do, or find a job. Save your own money aside. You can be saving your own money without your husband even knowing. You get me? So that in case of
saving your money without your husband even knowing.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Juu Tv and I watch no. Try yes ya. Ye share your home kakra biaba.
Keep watching Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
So tell me more, my dear. Tell me more. You're advising women, innit?
No, okay. It was my mother-in-law who gave me. I'm not joking. My mother-in-law.
Yeah.
She was the one who gave me this tip when she came to visit us. You know. She was like, "You can be making your own money. And you don't need to tell your husband."
That's it.
My own mother-in-law.
Yes.
You know.
She loves you.
Yes. She was like, you can be doing your own things. You don't need to tell him everything you're doing. I know you are supposed to be you have to keep your husband informed, but there are some things, like income, you have to have your own. Anything can happen to that man tomorrow.
You see?
You understand? The man can lose his job and he can't care for the family. Death, anything can happen and the man is not capable. Sickness, the man might be sick, he can't work anymore. And what can you bring then? What can you show now? If the man is not capable anymore.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah, I understand.
That's why I say because if the man knows maybe you have money, he will not, how do I put it? He might not support you anymore, or he will want you to bring that your own. But if you're keeping your own maybe secretly, in case there's any big problem tomorrow, you can say, oh, look at what I've been saving. Oh. You make him more happy.
Yes, it's true.
He'll be happy. But if you tell him, you don't know, some men, they take, like this woman who died, I heard the husband was collecting everything from her.
Yeah, I heard it that they said the husband is the manager.
Yeah.
That man was the manager for her.
Exactly. So the man knew everything she was getting and the man was collecting. She couldn't even keep anything at the side that the man didn't know. The man knew everything. So,
I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry to say that man is greedy.
He's really...
He's greedy. That
he's
man. If I didn't pronounce it well, Nigerian people forgive me.
I think it's... The man's name is...
I don't know the man's name, but I'm talking about that Esineche husband.
Osinachi.
What Esineche husband? What you did to that lady? It's not fair.
Really, very
You're
bad.
not supposed to do that to the woman. The woman you call yourself that you love her. How can you beat your own wife to death? You know, even Bible said, Adam.
Husband, love your wife.
Yes.
Really. He never loved her.
He never loved that woman. If you love your woman, how can you beat your woman till death?
Really?
In fact, that day, if I'm in Nigeria, I will call all the women to go to Aluta. We'll do demonstration against all men.
Not all men are like that.
I will do it to all men. No? If you know that you're not beating your wife, then you stay aside.
Yeah, but not all men are abusive to their wives, you know. So
I know it's not all I know it's not all men. I know most of men. Even if you listen to how the pastor was talking, it's very very touching. That man, when that pastor, the way that man was talking is very very touching. You know, it's not nice. It's not nice. How can you beat your wife until death? I mean, you are not Emma. Mean you are not ma. Said ye kano. She entina se mo bi nkunwo se wo tena se mo be ma bro ma awu a wo nkwase awu wo maame onya ba te se wo biem wo nuanum omunye nuanum te se wo biem that day out here your workeeping on any girlfriend. I'm saying that the day they are doing the one who dead.
Yeah.
Workeeping. The man will come with the girlfriend. On an implant for na beba workeeping ase. What they atna wale ni hunewu. Ya kan wo si wuntie ena mi kunu na me mainti. Oh me mainti. Nyankopon obo wo na ma me wo no. Na ukunu no kan ho.
There's something I wanted to also say before I forget. Sorry.
Tell me, darling. Tell me.
I don't blame that woman as well. I blame me and you, the society.
Why?
I blame me and you and the society. Because if that woman had left that marriage as well, people will also judge her.
Why?
They will say, you are a Christian. How come you are leaving your husband? You get me? And you know, because of her position, she was a believer. She was a gospel singer. People who didn't buy her music again. You get me? Yes. You don't know human beings. They are now judging her that why didn't she leave? But if she had gone away, they will say, oh, you are a Christian. How can you leave your husband? You call yourself a Christian. Why couldn't you pray to God to help?
It's true. You bring my mind to
any which way they would have still judged her.
It's true.
Nobody will even invite her to come and sing again. A divorcee. We don't need a divorcee. You get it?
You're right.
So I think she was just trying to protect her image as a child of God. So I don't really blame her as well, but no woman should die in any abusive marriage, please. It's better let people talk whatever they want to say. Yeah.
You're right. In fact, asem na wakane yam papa. Na nsai mo ya gospel musician bi Ghana ni gospel artist bi eni ni kunu ntawantawa bi esisi ama ye nua ba na twene ho. Mewe program na ayefede mu ya. Mewe program na ayefede mu ya. Bumu program na ayefede mu ya. Bumu program na ayefede odem konka program na ayefede mu ya. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. That's me pese me boni din. Enkrofo bi sheda formu ye. Ese omudi kuneni mu asese ne bakura wawo no one ne manager na awo ne ba no. Mo yese ye. Onu ye nua ba no onu na de ni gem. Ena onim se de agya no esi fa hyehye no. Me ni kunu ni mini no. Ye nua ba no kra no me ne nkasa ada but no kre na ye ka onu ankasa na no odani gem ye sheda for me ye say han ena one ne manager ada ena yakofa ayi first DNA bi aba abonten say ye nua ba no DNA no one ayi ne manager ena ewo akwala no ekosi say mu hwe yiye mu amotewo na mo de mo say bone na mo bede mo nyire mo ho obia no makofa DNA fake bia na mo de aba abonten say DNA we oni obi dia ena oni obi na DNA ena oba wagya ware de sema hu gospel artist asema na ye ka no gospel artist asema na ye ka no nipa no onu no te na ware ase ena onim said baby owo no eye hell ema no enti we free ho ma cheda famre bi so ne nam kuntuna se pese mugu ababa we anim ase ese ya baba we hye bre se ni career se wagya aware bible esoro ya de aware ko ho esoro heaven ya de aware ko ho emfi we ya hye ha sei nyankopon obo adam bo Eve no eno yi adam de eno di bo Eve enti se wo wankwa nkohia wo mfina ya de hye ho a enko wo be ware emadu na se omu nyina anya rims na enko ubejai enti obejai ware a oye gospel artist oye sofo oye hwan aya munjai na nye munjai some accuse you omo that na wajai wukunu. I'm talking about the one you're saying now. The way they're divorcing their husband. Munja na monka ena wagya ni kunu ena wagya ni yiri na gospel artist pa na wagya ni kuni ena osofu pa na waware ejai osofu pa na waware osofu waware impression ono no nim ejai na odem emfe no onya ne de bible mu de no onya ye nti ode se wa enko enti mumye njai se mo na mo ka ho ne yekunkum nipa no ya nu we asem bia ye beka na ya nya ayi enkrofo bi so omo so de omo nkwa na nwoma omo na eye de bi omo na hye kire eye kururu edi DNA fake DNA ba abonten edi begu nkrofo ani mase sweetheart. Sweetheart, are you finished your advice?
Yeah, I finished.
Okay then. Say hello, greetings to your all people you love, your husband, your family, and we wrap up, okay?
Okay,
After
I just
that,
want to say hello to my lovely husband, Mr. Kalu Njoku, and to my mommy, Mrs. Margaret, my friends all over the world, my fans all over the world. Please subscribe to Juu channel. We'll catch you in our next video, right?
Yo, minyanum ni adofo. Aha na Juu TV. Yedi ye nkomo no. Ye nkomo twetwen no yedi besie. Yes, sister, wo hwe Juu TV a yeden. Share, like,
Subscribe.
No one ma comment na fe why dey. What subscribe? Now subscribe wa. Your immune system no. U boost your immune system no. De nya ho dey. Aye foforo abrew. Me chia madofofo nyina. Dr. Kwaja Isi, papa me chia. Me chia Mr. T-Man, Great Lamte Mills. Me chia. Na me wi amachia me papa na ya osapon London me chia daddy wo ho ti say ai wonim say oba de me honyo ai maka me ho madofofo nyina citizen and gold me chia mo nyina mama bye that's it.